So guys, in this video I will show you how to create an app using AI even if you don't know coding. So in AI tool in 2025 is crazy powerful, and you can literally build an app idea from scratch in just a few minutes. So let's just get started. So you have to choose your AI tool first. So there is a number of tools or website available which can provide you code, but I will choose cursor as in my AI editor tool. So I open it. Let's wait until it's started. So yeah, it is started now. So what you have to do is you have to go here, file, you have to open folder, project folder, and choose your project location. If you create uh, if you create a project first in the Android Studio, then started in the editor, then it will be beneficial for you because tools which you are using maybe change the your SDK version, your environment setup, and anything. So when you create the project from your editor, then it will be beneficial for editor also to work on the provided SDK version or anything. Okay, so I have created a project first, and here is my the prompt: user input height. So I am going to build a fitness app in Flutter with maximum 2 to 4 screen. The app must run locally without internet. No login required. Use GetX for state management and MVVM architecture feature. uh, MVVM architecture, and the feature are below: user user input height, and or what can we think about the feature is calculate and display fitness chart. Means calculate and display fitness. So calculate and display fitness chart, that is BMI plus basic daily go. Save data locally using local DB. I'm not going to use shared preference here. Screens are home, input form, result slash chart, and optional setting. Let's read again. Create a simple fitness app with 2 3 screen. The app must run locally without internet. No login required. Use GetX for state management, MVVM architecture, and use material 3 use material 3 for better design. let's wait. Let's check. You can see that it read the pubspec YAML file. Now it is creating user data. So it will create each and everything which you write in the prompt. So we will wait until everything got cleared. Now it is building input screen, result screen, and you can see here. Okay, let's just finish it first. Then we will go. So now it is saying run flutter pub get command. So I will run. Now it is running. So once it is running, we will check the editor. So you can see here are the packages edit written. And this is the simple minimal app which I want to show you to how to create an app just using a simple prompt. Cursor will provide you some free credits for using it. It is basically an editor here. You can see all the data files, all the files included are here. Still it is working. So we have these folders in the library for database models, views, and main.dart file. This is the basically MVVM architecture model view model architecture. Currently it is running the command fail to update package. You have to wait until the cursor is just finish its to do task. So it found some error, I think. you can fast forward the video for the time, because it will need time to update all the package and libraries and all. So I think it is done now. Now we will check. It is saying URI doesn't exist. So I will go and flutter update here. If you face such issue, then you can work over here directly without cursor, because any prompt you will write in the cursor editor, it will consume your credit. Card theme can't be assigned parameter card theme data. Okay. So if you face issue, then what you have to do is you can write in the at the rate main file, main.dart file. You can paste error directly in line 21. And is anything there? It is created home controller, BMI result, and views are here. Create view agents output. Okay. Fix the error type card theme to card theme data. Let's check it. Okay, so it is solved now. So now let's run our app. Open emulator. So guys, this is only it will take hardly 10 minutes to build an app, even if you don't know coding.